Finding it hard to understand spoken French? You can read the words just fine, but when people speak fast, it all just blends together. The good news? It's not about being bad at French. It's about training your ears to decode fast spoken French. That's where my new free listening challenge comes in. It's designed to help you make real progress with fast spoken French in just 7 days. Even if you are just a beginner, you'll be surprised by how much you can understand. You will train your ears to catch the words you already know, follow real conversations, and stop feeling lost when native speakers talk. You will finally hear French the way it's really spoken, not just as blur, but as clear words you can understand. And the best part? It's already worked for hundreds of learners. Still not sure it will work for you? Here's what students from my last 7-day challenge had to say. I've learned more French this week than I have in the whole year since I started learning. I'm feeling more confident in my listening ability after 7 days of your course. I'm surprised at how much I get right. I just don't believe how much progress I have made. Best listening method for me on YouTube. I can genuinely see improvement in my listening. My ears are being trained well by these exercises. These are real students, real progress. In just 1 week, you could be next. Here's what you'll get each day. Real French conversations at full speed, just like in real life. It might feel fast at first, but that's normal. You will improve with each listen. Trust the process. It works. Step by step ear training to help you understand fast French and build real listening skills. Most students say it keeps getting easier. Transcripts and translations to check your understanding and learn from your mistakes. Daily progress tracker so you can see how much you're improving every single day. It's simple, clear, and built to help you understand fast spoken French without subtitles. The new 7-day challenge starts June 23rd right here on YouTube. And yes, it's completely free. All you need to do is hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And for the best results, join the waitlist. When you join, you'll get exclusive bonuses to help you get even more out of the challenge and make faster progress. This challenge is perfect for you if you know the words but can catch them when spoken. Native speakers talk too fast for you. You've listened to hours of French but nothing's clicking. You're a beginner and want to train your ear the right way from the start. You're stuck at the intermediate plateau and tired of feeling like you're not progressing. 1 week from now, French could sound completely different to you, but only if you start now. So subscribe and join the waitlist. And let's finally fix your French listening struggles together. À lundi!